All right, you guys. So welcome to our next video on parallel and perpendicular lines. All right, so if you're looking at the problem, okay, it says the lines represented by the equations 3y minus 6x equals 18 and y equals negative 1/2 x minus 2 are what? Are they parallel? Are they neither? Are they the same line or are they perpendicular? Okay. Now, we have not done a lot of work utilizing Desmos so far, so this is a great opportunity for us to look at how to use Desmos to help us solve problems. Okay, so I'm going to type in both of my equations just like they are into Desmos. So 3y minus 6x equals 18. Then I'm going to type in y equals 1/2 x. Oh, it's negative. I'm sorry. Oops, negative minus 2. Okay. All right. And there's my equation. All right. And I'm actually going to zoom in a little bit. I'm going to talk about why I'm zooming in just a moment. Okay. All right. Well, we know they're not parallel. We know they're neither parallel nor perpendicular because, okay, I think we can kind of look and see that they look like they're perpendicular, but how do we know for sure? But we definitely know they're not the same line. So parallel and same line are out. But how do I know that they are definitely perpendicular just by looking at this picture? Okay, well, I can take the slopes. Okay, I know the slope of the blue line is negative 1/2 already. Okay, I need to know, is the slope of my red line 2? Because that's the opposite reciprocal. Okay, so if I start here, or even if I start here at the y-intercept, if I go up 2 over 1, there you go, I hit the red line. Down 2 over 1. So I'm just spot checking to make sure that those slopes truly are opposite reciprocals. Because if I'm not sure, okay, I might have to do some work on paper pencil. Okay, so I'm trying to utilize Desmos, but I may have to do paper pencil. And it's not always going to be clear, okay, from here, okay, can I just tell that those have a 90-degree angle too, because that's the definition of perpendicular? Am I always going to be able to accurately determine that that's a 90-degree angle? Okay, well, let's go with perpendicular. We're good. Okay, and you can see here they've solved it, but we're going to utilize our calculator. Okay, all right, so let's check a new problem. Okay, all right, so we got y minus 2/3 x equals 6, and we have y equals 2/3 x plus 6. All right, so let's type both of those in. So y minus 2/3 x equals 6, and y equals 2/3 x. They're very similar. Oops. X plus 6. Okay. All right, so if you look here, okay, they pretty much look like the same line. Okay. Now I know we're seeing all these little dots right here because of points of intersection that they're trying to highlight. But pretty much looks like that's the same line. So let's go with submit my answer. And we're good. Okay. All right. I'm going to do one more and I think you'll be good to go. So 6y plus x equals negative 48. All right, and then y equals 1/6 x plus 8. Okay. All right. Let me just click on home. Well, if I click on home right there, those don't look like they're parallel because I can just keep scrolling out. There we go. Okay. That is definitely not a 90-degree angle. So they are not perpendicular. They are not parallel. They are not the same line, which means they are neither parallel nor perpendicular. They're just two lines that cross. There we go. Okay. So that is how you are going to do this first set of work in your Delta Math assignment. You are literally going to split your screen, bring up Desmos and type them in and see if you can visually establish the relationship between the two lines. Okay. Good luck.